Alright, welcome back guys. So today we will explore our waterfall, and as you can see in front of me a very beautiful water canal over here, and this is the way we are going. And as you can see from here on this little bottom up there, this is our lake's view on the back side, and we will see how really awesome is it. Okay, let's go there and we will explore further what beautiful places. But there's no water over here, just a little bit of water here in this lake. So as you can see, there's no water over here in this lake. And if I told you guys where this water are come from, and I can show you the waterfall over there, a very beautiful as greenery. Check out here. Did you see that? Yes, here. This is a waterfall view on the bottom of the lake. Check it out. Now we will go ahead and explore the waterfall, and we will see how really insane is that, and we will continue the exploration over here. Stay with us. Alright, so we just reached it on the top of this place, and the view itself looks like really beautiful from here. As you can see here, here's a very beautiful mountains in these rocks, and this beautiful lush greenery views, right? Wow, check this out. And our destination is there. If I can show you where is that our waterfall, and that is here. I can see it's very close to us. Check this out. This is very huge and very beautiful, right? Wow. And this place is located in the region of Baltistan, Baltistan, right? And this is a very tourist attraction place. Okay, so we'll continue here to explore our destination. Stay with us, and also you can subscribe to this channel, Nature Only.